Hello, today we're going to look at changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. Let's start with 11 fifths. We know that 11 fifths is an improper fraction because 11 is larger than 5. 11 is the numerator. And the fifth or 5 is the denominator. So we have to find out how many times the denominator goes into the numerator. So if we have 11 things, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, we've got to work out how many times 5 goes into 11. So let's make some groups of 5. There's one. And there's one all the way there. Oh, that's 2 groups of 5 with one left over. 1/5 left over. So we started with 11 fifths. How many times did the denominator go into the numerator? Well, 5 goes into 11 2 times with one left over, 1/5. Let's just do one more so we make sure we understand the process. Let's have a look at 7 halves. How many times does the denominator 2 go into the numerator 7? Well, we all know that that's 3, don't we? With one left over, 1 half. Have a go at converting this improper fraction. 9 sixths. If you asked yourself how many times 6 went into 9, then you would know from your fantastic multiplication knowledge that it only goes in once. And there are 3 left over. Well done if you got it right. And there's a smiley face from Mrs. Barry. Now let's go back the other way. Let's change a mixed number back to an improper fraction. So let's start with 2 1/4. What we do here is we times the denominator by the whole number. So 2 times 4 equals 8. But we've still got one left over that we have to add on. 8 plus 1 equals 9. And of course it's 9 quarters. 2 1/4 equals 9 quarters. Let's have a look at that as a picture. Okay, let's just say we had 2 pizzas and 1/4 of a pizza. If you divided the 2 whole pieces into quarters as well, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 quarters plus the quarter that we had left over. Can you see now that 2 1/4 equals 9 quarters? I know you can. Now let's add fractions. Let's have a look at 2 sevenths plus 3 sevenths. Now the great thing about this sum, which makes it easy, is these denominators are the same. So your answer doesn't change. It will be something over 7. All you have to do is add up these two. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 sevenths plus 3 sevenths equals 5 sevenths. So what happens when we add 2 fractions and end up with an improper fraction? Let's have a look at 3 quarters plus 2 quarters. Okay, our denominators are the same, so we know that that's going to be in our answer. And now we add the 3 plus the 2 and we get 5. 5 quarters. And this is an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. We don't leave the answer as an improper fraction. So we had 5 quarters. We need to convert it to a mixed fraction, a mixed number. How many times does the denominator go into the numerator? 4 goes into 5, 1 with 1 left over, 1 quarter. That is our final answer. Let's see if you got it right. So we had 3 sixths plus 5 sixths. Well, we know the denominator is the same, so our answer is a sixth. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Our answer is 8 sixths, but it's not complete yet. We have to convert it. How many times does the denominator go into the numerator? Well, 6 goes into 8 once, with 2 sixths left over. You know, we could even make that even more simpler by converting this to an equivalent fraction, which would be 1 1/3. Did you know that 2 sixths is equivalent to 1/3? Never mind if you didn't, we'll do that in the next lesson.